Wasta, South Africa, Wastari, may I tell you something? Nobody can trample on your shine. You're a star. And when you walk in the room like this, and let me tell you people something. It is not about define wheels
or hair. Or this. It's not about design.
It's about what you have inside you. I'm this little light of mine. I'm gonna let it shine. Let me tell you something. It's the light that is inside that will shine. Let me tell you something. It's not about clothes. You can wear the hottest things.
Yes, you can.
Even if you wear bata, if you wear kolokolo shoe, bobo shoe, when you step in the place, they cannot be there like
you're going to do okay, never say good.
Okay, never say good. You go they shine like this. People don't understand this. I'm speaking them. Let me tell you something. Do you know how our new manifestation is real? Because of where I am right now. What is happening to us? This thing, you know, we and Andy, but that's why we're very, very calm. We've always known this. We've been stars.
Yes.
We just need to manifest.
Imagine WANNI and our story is a little story from grass to grace. You guys don't know where.
See, you guys.
Me and my sister have been.
Let me tell you.
If we can be here right now.
Man, you know, I told you that I know my purpose in life. Yeah, DJing is our love and we'll make money from it. My purpose is to motivate people. I love when I pour into people. I love when I can impart. Do you understand?
I'm greeting all of you from the comment section.
Greeting all of you and you greet them well. Greet them.
I say President General
among the nation. Anyway. President General among the nation, we salute you.
President General among the nation, oh.
We salute you.
President General among the nation.
Hey, so back to it. You guys forget dramatic, but what I'm saying from the bottom of my heart. You guys, let me tell you something. Me and my sister that time, because maybe now we don't get our confidence. It grew because we're more confident. But that time, maybe when they get our shoe, they pili. They cut. Guys, you will enter the place if you see us because they do like this. Because they do like saying that we were the most expensive. We're gonna see people with bling, all those bodies now.
Please don't cry. Yeah. Oh. Just to appreciate how sweet you are. If you're talking from your seasons like your cheeseball fans. Just love you so much, and then yeah, you're welcome. Open your back.
Oh, this is, I have to sit down to read this.
It's fine.
Is there something on there?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Probably. See, I can show her face. What's more with this one? It's something like this. It's like. Ah.
Right.
Bibi Bobo.